Hello YouTube, here it's Arjun from Learn for Free. Today I will explain the basics of LAN switches. So I'll start by showing it to you how a switch look in real. Here we have a switch, small device from Cisco system, Catalyst 2940 series. Here are the ports. And basically a switch is a device that filters and forwards packets between LAN segments. I got a definition from Wikipedia. So here is the definition from Wikipedia. A network switch is a computer networking device that connects devices together on a computer network by using a form of packet switching to forward data to the destination device. That's a basic definition for a switch. I will use this picture throughout the explanation. I first describe what's there in this picture. Here we got the switch having several ports, named 2 to 10. We have 4 PCs connected to the switch. PC A, name here device A, device B, device C, and device D, each of which having their unique corresponding MAC address. Remember, the switch store MAC address. And here we have the Ethernet frame, or we can refer it as packet, though when we talk about switch we should refer to frame. Here we have a destination address and a source address and a data packet. In this case, the destination address is for device A. The source address is for device C. I just put the A here for us to know. Yeah, device C is a source, device A is a destination. Here is a switch lookup table, also sometimes referred as a MAC address table, which store the source address and the port. Remember, the switch store only source address. Here is a source address of A, because when PCC send data to PCA, PCA respond back by sending a frame to PCC. Hence, device A becomes the source. I'll use a small drawing to illustrate the explanation. Here, so we have a small drawing, we have a switch, small router. I'm not expert in drawing, so we have ports 2, 3, 4, 5, 4 PCs, PC1, PC2, PC3, PC4, and let's say this is a MAC address. Okay, let's say PC1 want to send data to PC3. Okay, note that is a brand new switch which has never been used. Just open the box, we are the first use. So the lookup table, the switch lookup table or the MAC address table will be empty. For the first time, when PC1 send data, the switch flood or forward, or we can say broadcast the frame to all ports. The port having the corresponding address here for PC3 M113, we intercept the frame and capture the frame. So the source is PC1 having the MAC address M11. We write the MAC address 111 connected to port or interface 2. Then PC3 in turn send an acknowledgement, or we can say send a message or a frame to respond back. Therefore, in turn, PC3 becomes the source, having the MAC address M133, connecting to port 4. Therefore, PC1 and PC3 has made a point-to-point connection. We say it point-to-point connection. Therefore, later, if the both machine PC1 and PC3 want to send data, the switch will not forward the packet to all ports. Sometimes some people refer point-to-point connection as connection to the server. They refer as when the server is directly connected to the switch and the PC communicate directly to the server. And remember, switch keep record of MAC addresses of all devices connected to it in the switch lookup table or the MAC address table. It is by which the switch can identify which system is attached to which port. And the switch will operate at the data link layer, the layer 2 of the OCI model. And before ending the point-to-point connection, in the point-to-point connection, only the two machines involved in the point-to-point connection will only see the frame. So stay tuned, guys. And I know the video is not like pro. We are just a student. So comment, anything to add, comment, subscribe and like. Hopefully for our next video. Stay tuned and welcome to Learn for Free. Thank you for your attention.